In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Lark doc. Let's walk through the simplest, most reliable way to share your document with the right people using a shareable link and clear permissions. We'll keep it straightforward, and I'll add helpful context so you know exactly what each choice means. Start by opening your Lark doc. Make sure you're in the document you actually want to share, and that any recent changes are saved. Having the doc open ensures you're adjusting settings for the correct file. Next, look to the top right corner of your screen for the Share button. It's your hub for all sharing options. Clicking Share opens a panel where you control who can see or change your document. In that panel, turn on link sharing. Think of this as flipping the Link Works switch. When link sharing is off, even if someone has the URL, they won't be able to open the doc. Turning it on activates a shareable link you can send to others. Now, choose the permission level that fits your situation. If you pick View Only, recipients can open and read the doc but can't change anything. This is great for finalized materials, reference documents, or anything where you want to prevent accidental edits. If you select Can Edit, recipients can make changes directly in the document. This is ideal for collaboration, brainstorming, or team drafting. Remember, edits happen in real time, so choose this option only when you trust the people you're sharing with and want their input. If you're unsure, start with View Only. You can always switch to Can Edit later if needed. Once your permission is set, click Copy Link. This copies the unique sharing URL to your clipboard. It's a small step, but it's what makes the link ready to paste anywhere. If you want to be extra confident, paste it into a note or message to confirm it copied correctly. Finally, send the link through your preferred channel, chat, email, a calendar invite, or your team workspace. Add a short note that clarifies what you want people to do, like "Please review" or "Add your edits by tomorrow," so expectations are clear. Keep in mind that anyone with the link can access the document according to the permission you just chose. Treat the link like any shareable resource and avoid posting it in public spaces if the content is sensitive. That's it. Open your doc, click Share, turn on link sharing, set the right permission, copy the link, and send it. With those steps, you'll share your Lark doc confidently and securely every time.